In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to time block your tasks in Notion Calendar. Time blocking is a simple but powerful way to plan your day by assigning specific tasks to specific time slots instead of just keeping a long to-do list. This helps you stay focused, avoid multitasking, and actually see how your day is structured. In this walkthrough, we'll use Notion Calendar as the main tool for setting up those time blocks. First, launch Notion on your computer. You can do this either through the desktop app or directly in your browser. Once Notion is open, navigate to the workspace or page where your calendar is located. If you already have a calendar view set up, click into it. If not, you can create one by adding a new calendar database to your page so you can start organizing your time visually. Now, in your Notion calendar, look at the day or week view so you can clearly see the different time slots. This view makes it much easier to plan your schedule hour by hour. Take a moment to decide what part of your day you want to plan. It could be your entire workday, your morning routine, or just a focused block for deep work. To create a time block, move your cursor over the time slot where you want your task to begin. Click and drag down along the calendar to cover the amount of time you want to dedicate to that task. As you drag, Notion will highlight the duration you're selecting. When you release the mouse, a new event or task window will appear, corresponding exactly to the time block you just created. In that event window, give your time block a clear and specific title, like Write Project Report, Team Planning Session, or Study Data Analysis. You can also add a short description if you need more context, such as key points you want to cover or links to relevant Notion pages. This helps you jump straight into work without wasting time figuring out what to do. Once you're done, save the event. You'll now see your task visually placed on the calendar, spanning the exact time period you selected. Repeat this process for other important tasks in your day, clicking and dragging on different time slots to create separate blocks. By launching Notion, opening your calendar,